So here we are. We've made it through Thanksgiving. Full bellies. Time with family and friends, time well spent. But then the focus turned to Black Friday and Cyber Monday. And those are great if you want to make large corporations a lot of money. Well, today I'm going to focus on Small Business Saturday. Spending your dollars right here locally to support the people that live in our community and support our communities. Small Business Saturday. Let me show you 4 of my favorite places. Come on and check them out. So when we're talking about Small Business Saturday, we're just not talking about places where you can buy things. How about a place where I take all my pets to get groomed, nails clipped? And that is right here at Tails Above the Rest. When you come in here, your pet's a family. Tails Above the Rest on South Willow Street. Check them out. Tell them Coop sent you. So the next place we're going to check out is right here. It's called That Vintage Thing. So whether you're looking for antiques or something unique just to help decorate the house, you come down here and check them out. They have some paint. They can show you how they have classes on how to redo some furniture. Pretty cool spot. That Vintage Thing. Pop in, tell Karen I said hi. So another of my favorite spots is right here. Hunt's Photo and Video. What I like about these guys is, listen, you can go on Amazon and you can go on Best Buy and you can buy your cameras and you can buy all your video equipment, but you could do it right here to keep your local dollars local. These guys will price match. And what I like is when you go in, you're going to deal with a professional that's going to know what they're talking about and can show you how to use your equipment. So whether you are a beginner, a hobbyist like myself, or a professional, whatever it is, you got to come in and check out Hunt's Photo and Video. Tell them Coop sent you. They'll have no idea who I am, but to see their expression be priceless. So the next place we're going to look at, it's called the Music Mill. It's down here on Elm Street in Manchester. Started by a couple of local guys. Started as a small little company and have grown quite a bit. So whether you're looking for a vintage guitar, something new, something used, strings, or anything that has to do with your musical needs, come down here and check out the Music Mill on Elm Street in Manchester. So on Small Business Saturday, try to stay out of the big box stores. Keep your dollars local. Support the people who live in our communities that support our communities. Small Business Saturday. Tell them Coop sent you. They won't know me, but it's worth seeing the expression on their face. So I'm Kevin Cooper of Bean Group, and thank you for watching this episode of Coop Knows New Hampshire.